morning all. We still in lockdown, so we thought we might show you some new kits that have come in that can help you get through the lockdown. These are all the new stuff. Most of it's armour this time, so the armour guy's going to be a little happier. This is we've got a few from Meng. This is the new one from Meng. This is actually their Sherman, but with these two figures in resin included in them, plus an upgrade set for the Sherman. Lots of detail. Should be quite a good unit, especially if you want sort of that scene. That's quite nice. From Great Wall Hobbies, we've got the 72nd scale SU-35S flanker. Don't know too much about this one yet. I've only just recently seen it. Probably along the similar lines as all their other 72nd scale aircraft that they've been doing, which means it should be quite detailed, enough in it that's going to keep you happy. This has been in before, but we sold out of it so quickly that we thought we'd show you it again. This is from Kitty Hawk. This is their FJ2 Fury in 48 scale. The reviews and that I've read so far are good. There's actually a kit build on one of the YouTube channels if you want to sort of go a bit further and see a bit more about it. But the kit itself apparently is very, very good. I've been trying to get hold of one myself. A lot better than the old Eschi kit that came out years ago. From Border. No, this is RFM. This is the next version of their Panzer 4. This is the late version. It comes with workable tracks. J version. So that's in now. Amusing Hobby. We've got the updated Panzer 2. This one's got the metal design. The turret designed by Rhine Metal. So it's a completely different turret. So that's also in. Going back this way, we've got a few egg type planes, so I'll run through them pretty quickly. Meng C-17 in the egg plane, from a new company called Nunu or something or other it's called. This is the F-20 and the F-35. This actually one comes in Blue Angels markings, which is quite. It does come with a little figure as well, so you can sort of play around with it. Freedom models, they released the F2A and B in. So you get two kits, same with the F-16 in two kits. From Meng, this is their next reiteration of their Jeep. So this is the MB, just military vehicle, 35th scale of course. From the reviews I've seen of the previous one, it's got a good write-up. It's a lot of kit, but it's also not cheap for a small Jeep, but a lot more detail than I think that some of the others have had. Coming back this way, Kitty Hawk. This is the 48 scale SA365N Dafar. This is not anybody else's kit. This is a brand new toolkit. A lot more detail than somebody else has done it as well, but nowhere near as good as this. This has got a lot of good detail, and apparently there's 3 or 4 versions of this to come out, so that's quite good. Also from Amusing, this is the next version of the Japanese howitzer type gun or SP gun version. From Amusing as well, you've got the British Heavy Tank Destroyer, the FV217 Badger, which has come out. And the big one from Kitty Hawk, you've got the new 32nd scale. So this is 32nd scale, 2000, Mirage 2000C. Lot in the kit, a real lot in the kit, so it's going to be quite detailed to have a look at. Basic reviews I've seen, very small ones. So far so good. I think there's some detailed ones coming up. We also have a couple of new mags in, the latest one from Scale Aviation Modeler, Model Aircraft, and the armour model, so they've come in. So that's it for this little short one. We're going to do a second one for you in a little while. I want to show you the new Trumpeter Bismarck. So that's just arrived, and apparently from what I've heard, it's one of the best versions of Bismarck around. So we'll talk to you again in a few minutes. Catch up, see you later.